In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify with Printify. Whether you're launching a new product line or expanding your current offerings, integrating these two platforms can streamline your e-commerce operations and make managing your business just a bit easier. Let's dive right in and take it step by step. So, you're sitting at your Shopify account dashboard. The first thing you need to do is look over to the left-hand side of your screen. There, you'll see a tab labeled Apps. Give it a click. This will bring you to the area of Shopify where you can add new functionalities through various apps to enhance your store's capabilities. Next up, focus your attention on the search bar that's now available in front of you. Type in Printify. Printify is an innovative platform that lets you create and sell custom products. It's particularly popular for its print-on-demand services, which can handle orders automatically as they come in, so you don't need to carry any inventory. Once you've typed in Printify, hit Enter or click on the search icon. When the search results come up, locate Printify and click on it. You'll be presented with an option to install the app. Click Install. This prompts Shopify to start linking your store with the Printify app. An installation confirmation screen will appear to check if you really want to go through with it. It's just Shopify's way of ensuring you're making the right choice for your store. Click Install once more to confirm. Installation usually takes just a few seconds. Now that Printify is installed, it's time to connect it with your Printify account. You may already have a Printify account from previous business ventures, or you might be brand new to the platform. Either way, this step is crucial for syncing products and processing orders. You'll see a prompt asking you to sign in to your Printify account. Go ahead and enter your credentials. If you haven't created a Printify account yet, this is a great moment to do so. Simply follow the prompts on Printify's website to create a free account, and then return to this step to sign in. With everything in place, your Shopify store is now integrated with Printify. This connection enables you to easily add products from Printify to your Shopify store, customize product listings, and automatically fulfill orders. From here, you're ready to configure the specific products you want to sell and customize them with your unique designs. Congratulations, you've integrated Shopify with Printify, streamlining your e-commerce operation and making the magic happen behind the scenes. We hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Let us know how this integration has transformed your business, or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and happy selling!